Hello. Today we're going to have another short speaking practice. I'm going to show you a picture and ask you a question. And you need to answer the question in a full sentence. Let's try. Okay, look at the picture. What is his job? Answer. He's a doctor. Did you get it right? Okay. Where does he work? Where does he work? He works at the hospital. He works at the hospital. You can repeat the answers after me too. Does he like his job? Answer. Yes, he does. He likes his job. He loves his job. He looks happy. He's smiling. Yeah? Okay. Next picture. What does she do? You can say, what does she do? Or you can say, what is her job? She's a teacher. She's a teacher. What does she teach? What does she teach? She teaches English. She teaches English. Did you say teaches or teach? Should be she teaches. Where does she work? She works at school. She works at school. Okay. What is their occupation? What do they do? What is their occupation? Are they doctors? Are they teachers? Answer. They are students. Yes, they are students. What do they study? They study English. Where do they study English? They study English at college. Yeah, or they study at the university. Okay, great job. You can do it again and you can repeat all the questions and answers after me, and you can also write them down in your notebook. If this exercise was useful for you, please don't forget to like my video and leave a comment if you want, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!